What is the function of the source function in R? The source function in R is used to execute a script of our code stored in an external file. This function reads the specified file, interpreting and running all our commands within that file as if they were typed into the R console. This is particularly useful for running complex scripts or a series of our commands without manually entering them one by one, enabling the automation of tasks and ensuring reproducibility. Explain the purpose and use of comments in our scripts. Comments in our scripts are used to include explanatory notes or annotations within the code that are not executed. They are crucial for documenting the code, making it easier to understand and maintain, both for the original author and for others who may use or modify the script later. Comments are indicated by a hash symbol. Everything following the hash on the same line is treated as a comment and ignored during execution. What are the different types of numeric data types in R and when should each be used? R supports several numeric data types, including integers, used when dealing with whole numbers. An integer is specified by adding L after the number, example 5L. Doubles, or numerics. This is the default numeric data type used for decimal or floating point values, like 3.14 or 2.5 E3. Complex numbers, used in fields that require them, such as engineering or scientific research, specified with real and imaginary parts, example 14I. Choosing the correct numeric data type depends on the nature of the data and the mathematical operations involved. Use integers for counts that do not require decimals and doubles for most other numeric calculations to ensure precision. Describe how and when to use logical operators in R. Logical operators in R are used to make decisions or to perform operations based on conditions. The main logical operators are and returns true if both operands are true, vertical bar, or returns true if either operand is true. Not negates the truth value of an operand, and vertical bar. These are the short-circuit versions of an vertical bar, respectively, used primarily within control flow statements where only the first element of vectors is checked. Logical operators are typically used in conditional statements, subsetting operations, or loops, where actions are contingent on certain conditions being met. For example, filtering data based on some criteria or deciding the flow of execution depending on multiple conditions.